this video tutorial, let me show you how to disable and enable Internet in Windows 10. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. So let's get started. First, we need to click this network icon, which we are all aware of in older versions of Windows. Next, click Network and Internet Settings. Next, on this window, we need to click Ethernet option. Here, we need to click Change Adapter option on the right side of the window. Next, here we can see the Ethernet option. We can right-click on it and disable the Internet and enable it back. If you are using a Wi-Fi network, similarly, you will come across Wi-Fi network here. You can right-click and disable or enable wireless internet here. And we are done with this tutorial. Please share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.